Whenever I engage with international investors or multinational companies, I make a very strong case about our skills, our talent, and our will to succeed. Because I believe that you get two kinds of people in society: those who wait for things to happen and those who make things happen.
100%.
And here in Cape Town, we make things happen. And so the tech ecosystem is one of those incredible industries that are cross-cutting, that are leading from the front. And that's why we are the tech capital. We've got the most tech startups, not by chance, but by design. We have a steady tech skills pipeline that's making its way into corporates, from coding to software development to programming, not by chance, but by design. So we've established a very close-knit tech community in Cape Town that works together around the key things, and I've mentioned them: coding, software development, programming, and many others, to make sure that we give Cape Townians the skills that businesses require.